I don't know about you guys, but I'm freaking pumped for Palantir stock this week. We're coming off of a monstrous green day on Friday. We went up around 6.2%, and guys, we're knocking on the door of $80 per share yet again. So we have to cover the charts in this video, what I'm doing heading into this week, kind of what we're looking like overall. But first, hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe. And guys, if you like free money, get your free stocks from Moomoo. Open up your account using that link down below and deposit at least $100. You get 5 free stocks. Deposit at least $1,000. You get 10 more free stocks. And overall, for now, your uninvested cash will earn up to 8.1% APY, which, guys, this deal is a no-brainer and the clock's ticking, so use that link down below or go to stocksurfest.com/Moomoo. Get your stocks, and now, cheers, let's get into it. So, Palantir, like I said, guys, and I'm sure you saw this for yourselves on Friday, we had a 6.25% green day, and the stock went from $74 in the pre-market to almost $80 at close. Unbelievable, man. We're talking about a 7% move from top to bottom on Friday. Pretty nuts, especially considering how much Palantir stock has already been going up. It's going up even more, guys. It's starting off 2025 with a bang. Here on the 5-day, 5-minute chart, you guys can see we are now officially breaking out of this little mini downtrend we were in. On the 5-day, you guys see it. We have a golden cross. We're above both moving averages. And if I pull up this 30-minute chart, you guys can see it even better, right? If I get this channel tool out, boom, bada, boom, you guys see right here. Let me draw it out very quickly. There we go. You can see we're breaking out of this channel pretty clearly, and we have a golden cross, right? 50 SMAs crossing above the 180 SMA here, and like I said, we're breaking out in the short term here, looking pretty good. First time we're above both moving averages since it looks like here Christmas Eve. Yeah, Christmas Eve, we hit $85. We got a nice little early Christmas present there, guys. We hit all-time highs on Christmas Eve on that short day of trading, you guys remember? And that but since that point, we got in a little downtrend until now. Again, now we're above the moving averages for the first time since Christmas Eve. And it looks like we're gearing up for more upside. Now, tomorrow morning, what am I watching? I'm watching to see if Palantir is able to gap up above $80. If that happens in the morning, at open, whatever it may be, if we're able to break out of $80, that could be setting us up beautifully for another run, for the momentum from Friday to continue, right? That's kind of what I'm thinking here. But we just have to wait. We got to be patient. We have to wait for Monday, pre-market at least tomorrow to kind of get an idea of what we're doing, because, we could also potentially, gap down. We might gap down to $78, for example, on the 30-minute chart. Maybe we come down to the moving averages, retest, and then rebound. That would be a good scenario as well. So, yeah, I mean, if we gap up in the morning over $80 and start pushing, maybe we don't get a pullback. Maybe momentum just carries us to all-time highs again. But if we get the little pull down in the morning, what I'd be waiting for is maybe consolidation around $77.50, $78, right by the moving averages on the 30-minute here. Then I'd be looking for a recovery. Okay, if we get a pull down in the morning, do bulls come in? Do we get a recovery at 77, 78, which I think we will if we get the pullback? We'll see, though, guys. On the 1-hour chart, we can see now we're above both moving averages on this time frame as well, and we closed above them on Friday, which is a good sign. And on the 4-hour chart, no doubt, Palantir looks amazing, right? We're bouncing right where we need it to bounce, above that 180 moving average on this time frame. We held it, back when they reported earnings in the beginning of November. We held it a couple weeks before that, months before that. So, yeah, we're looking good. Buyers came in at about 70, 72. We held that trend line. We bounced. Now, let's see, man. Do we retake 80? Do we start pushing even more aggressively heading into earnings, which are coming out in less than a month? Time will tell. Earnings are on the 3rd of February after the bell. And guys, make sure to subscribe here on YouTube because we're going to be covering the stock extensively heading into the earnings. And I think 70% of you guys watch the content here, but you're not subscribed. So if that's you, make sure to subscribe. We're almost at 50,000 subscribers, which I want to thank you for, by the way, guys. Thanks for all the support over the years. I've been doing YouTube here on this channel, believe it or not, since October 2017. Crazy. I know. It's been years. And I can't thank you enough for 50,000 subs. We're almost there. And after that, guess what? We're not done, guys. We're going for that 100K plaque here on YouTube, man. We're going for it. So make sure to subscribe. I appreciate you all as always. Yeah, this looks great. Palantir looks great. And for me, I'm just holding on. I own shares at $21 in 2 different accounts. I'm holding on, man, tight. And I'm not planning on buying more yet at these levels. And I'm not selling either. So for me, guys, at this point in early 2025, and of course, I'll update you if things change. But for me, the stock is a hold. It's a hold right now. And man, if we break 80, 85, who knows? We might be going to $100 in 2025. It sounds crazy, but it's possible. It totally is possible. So that's a rundown on Palantir, guys, for this video. And let me see some other stocks on my watch list. Some that maybe didn't do well on Friday. I mean, we had a sea of green on Friday. Obviously, indexes crushed it. We hit all-time highs on a bunch of different stocks here, but it wasn't all sunshine and rainbows for all the stocks out there, guys. We had CCL take a bit of a beating, 2.5% in the red. Carnival Cruise Line, which looks like it's slowly starting to reverse trend here. The stock went from 13 all the way to 27. It doubled up in about 4 or 5 months, and now we're at 24. We're starting to get a dump under these moving averages. We have a death cross as well here in the making. So CCL, keep your eyes on the weakness there. Adobe's one that I think is just, it's getting way beaten down. I'm not at a point where I'm going to add it as a long-term position yet. But if it's somehow, I mean, look, it's already breaking the lows from 2024. I think we hit back in May 435. So we're already breaking that low. If it starts creeping even further down, maybe down towards if it tips its toes into $300, guys, 375, 380, that range, maybe I'll consider adding Adobe. And honestly, this is a stock I've wanted to own for years, but it's always traded at a frothy valuation. And I almost bought it about, when was this? 2 years ago, I guess. Yeah, in 2022, when it got to 275, right above my head here, guys. I almost bought some shares there, but I didn't. And then it got away from me pretty quickly. It got to 630. So if it gets back down in this range, I'm not going to miss my opportunity this time, guys. Adobe might be one that I add to the portfolio pretty soon here. We shall see over the coming weeks. It looks like they have earnings coming up. Oh, wow, they're in mid-March, so it's going to be a while till they report. They must have they just reported, and their stock tanked. So I might have to do some more digging into this one, man. I love the company. I use their products. I got to see what's going on under the hood. It's down 27% from their recent high, and it's down probably more than that from all-time highs. Yeah, it is. It's down about 35% from all-time highs. Not bad. So what do you guys think? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Got a little carried away there at the end with with Adobe, a bit of a side tangent there. But let me know your thoughts in the comments. Hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Check out the Patreon if you want to keep up with my portfolio every week. And guys, get your free stocks from Moomoo. Open up your account, deposit at least $100, you get 5 free stocks. Deposit at least $1,000, you get 10 more free stocks. And overall, for now, your uninvested cash will earn up to 8.1% APY, which, guys, if you don't like the platform, you can take out all your deposits and keep all the free stocks. So use that link down below or go to stocksurfest.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you guys in the next video.